Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the appearance preferences. Okay, so use label color for layer handles and paths, yes. Use label color for related tabs, yes. Cycle mask colors, use label colors, sure. Use contrast color from mask path, yes. Use gradients, yes. I'll show you the difference now with the brightness. And that actually hurts my eyes looking at that. We can go to default. And we can also do effects label colors. Okay, and I like the brighter red. It's easier to read. Highlight color. We can go darker. We can go lighter. I like a lighter color because I'm into contrast. So what contrast is if you have a dark background, you want to have a lighter foreground. Okay, and you'll notice when I do default, it kind of dims this down. But if I go lighter, it makes it pop and it's easier to read. Okay, you want to make, this is all about workflow. This is all about workspace. How do you set everything up so you can be as efficient as possible? And it's an important part of the process. Because if you have a good workflow and you have everything down and say, okay, I got everything. I checked everything off. I know what I'm doing. I know, then you can get to work. Focus indicators. We go lighter, we go darker. I don't really see much of a difference here, so I'll just leave it as default. So that's appearance preferences. So with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.